and let her on go. See you, big girl. Woo! Nice. Still back at the same spot that I just caught that 5-footer at. I've given it about a 20-minute rest, and I'm just kind of hydrating, and I'm getting some fresh baits on out. I realized on the rod that I broke the eye. I could just clip the eye off and keep on using it, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to rig that back on up and get it on out of here. Normally I would consider just leaving after I caught a big gar, but since I haven't been here before, and I know that was a good fish, but it's possible there could be a 7-footer right up in here, right at this spot. So I'm gonna give it probably about 30 more minutes. If this doesn't pan out for me, I'm gonna go down more towards the bay and fish more like saltwater stuff where there's more likely to have like reds and stuff like that. And I would love to find a 6-footer down there. Absolutely make me ecstatic. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna sit here for 20-30 more minutes, see if we can get bit one more time here. If not, we're gonna go down and spend the rest of the day at the bay. All right, guys, I gave it about 20 more minutes here, not even a nibble. So we're gonna run down. We're gonna go for a long run. I'm gonna get these up, and yeah, I'll get back to you when I'm down there. It's gonna be a lot different looking, and hopefully there's different, you know, kinds of species of fish down there. Hopefully more saltwater fish like red drum. All right, guys, so I ran way down the river. It actually took me an hour or two. My current problem is I have no signal, so I can't look at my map and I can't see the spots that I had pinned. This is one of them right here. There was like a long channel and I was pretty sure I was going the right way, but I wasn't sure. I finally made it here. The only issue I'm having other than that is that it's filling currently with the high tide, and there's so much water coming in here, it's gonna be difficult to keep baits out. That said, this water pushing in here is gonna put gar right in the mouth of this lake right here. Like right where the water dumps in, a whole bunch of fish should be right there getting fat on all the bait. So we're gonna see if we can capitalize on that and get ourselves a big old saltwater gar. All right, we're getting a couple baits out. I'm just gonna go on the backside of where all this current's coming in. I'm gonna try to get them out as far as I can, but I also am gonna try to avoid just going straight into the really hard current. So I have my little rod out with a little whiting, I think, and I got something on it. It's not a monster, but I'll take it. I don't think it's all that small though either, really. I'm stuck in my other rod. That sucks. Man, it's strong, whatever it is. Oh, it's way over here. Oh, it's tangling up everything. That's a red. Oh, I'm getting a run on a gar rod. Yep, that's a little red. All right, I got issues. I got what seems to be a pretty serious run on gar. So I need to get this out of here. That was a keeper red drum. I lost it, but it's all right. Where's my float? Oh man, I'm almost... Alright guys, I could just tell from this run that this is not small in any way. I try to slow it down with my fingers too, and this is obviously a big fish. I'm gonna go ahead and try to set on her here in a second. I'm running out of line really quick, so. Set. Oh, that's a good fish. What do we got? Oh, no way. Alright, that one came to about 5 feet away from the boat, and before I really got to feel her weight, she just spat the hook at me. That honestly sucks. I feel like that was a pretty big fish. Alright guys, I'm pretty sure this is my big fish for the day. I let her run. She kind of came back into the heavy current that's pushing in, and now she's taking off fast. She's about 110 yards out, I'm gonna guess. I'm probably gonna set on her. I'm on a dead anchor, so this could go really badly actually. But we're gonna go ahead and try. Dang, dude. Alright, that was a no-go on that big fish. I actually didn't feel it at all. I was winding in my line and I could see my bait up at the top, so I know it's still there. I just ended up leaving it right there 10-15 feet behind where I set, so hopefully she'll turn around and just think it was alive and pick it on back up again. If not, oh well. Waiting for the next one, you know? I think I got another red hooked up here. Pretty strong fish. I see it. I'm not sure what it is. She's so fast, wow. Gotta watch my line on that other rod. Woo! Yeah, buddy. That's awesome. I'm just putting a couple mullet chunks back here towards this little wall, and I'm getting bit on reds. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a good one. Nice. Wow, look at her tail. It's so pretty. Wow. That's an awesome fish. Super cool. Don't worry, I'm not gonna hurt you. All right guys, that's a legal slot red. I could eat that if I wanted to. She looks like she got 2 spots on that side and 2 on that side too. She's a really pretty fish. Whoa, caught her. Managed to catch her. I don't actually really like to eat reds, so I'm probably gonna send this one on home, but still super, super neat. Still got that run on the gar too. Guys, I'm gonna send this red on home. She's probably about 23, 24 inches. Here she goes. Yes. Show these off real quick. This is all I'm doing to catch the reds. I've just got a 4-aught croaker style hook and little chunks of mullet. I was gonna try to get better bait than that, but hey, it's working, so just throwing those on out. All right guys, once again hooked up to a red, and I've got a gar running too, so wow, what a day. Woo, look at that. Oh man, I gotta catch this red. I'm gonna lose all my line. Oh wow, it's a big sail cat. Oh crap. Okay. grab this thing, sling him on to about there. And we got a runner off the back of the boat. Oh my gosh. Okay, if you don't know what this is, it's called a gaff top catfish or a sail cat. Pretty neat. I'm gonna get. All right, I'm hooked up. I got two running. And whoa, what is that? What the heck? Did I get a gar? Whoa! Holy moly, what just happened? Oh, it's a gar. Whoa, dude. It's a gar on freaking 15-pound braid. No way. I don't know if I'm gonna catch this thing. That is not very small. Woo! Wow, what a day. Yeah, so this rod is for drop shotting for like 2 to 3 pound bass probably. And I'm over here with a 50-pound fish hooked up. Look at that little rod. Watch out for my anchor line. Wow, that's a big fish. Okay, I'm running out of line. I got all sorts of issues here. Okay. Oh, that's my fish. I just saw it. I don't know what to do. Okay, so I have issues. I'm almost out of line here. Bro. On the anchor. Woo! Oh, that's a strong fish, dude. Wow, that's 20-pound fluorocarbon and she didn't bite through it. That's pretty amazing. She might be a little bit bigger, but I'm getting her. Oh, there she goes. Wow. All right, I lost. All right, guys, that's what I got left. She finally went through that 20-pound fluorocarbon. Really, I had her on for 5-10 minutes though, and she's probably about 5 foot. She's a little bigger than I thought she was. I probably should have used my rope to go ahead and secure her. I would have liked to put a good tag in that, but still, that was, I mean, that is literally a drop shot rod. It's for bass, you know, 5, 6, 7 pound bass, and I just caught a 50-pound fish on it, maybe 60, 70. I'm not even sure. She was a little bigger than I thought she was, but pretty crazy. Gonna get them back out. Oh my gosh, where did I hook? Dude, what is this? What is that? It's jumping. Do I have a tarpon? What is that? It's strong. I keep feeling like I'm gonna lose it any second. I don't know what it is. I saw it jump twice. There's no way it's ladyfish. It's too strong. It could be a tarpon. There it is. It's a shark! No way! Oh my gosh. It's a stinking shark, guys. Wow, I caught a bull shark. Wow. Perfectly hooked too, he's not gonna get off. Wow. Wow, it has a remora too. Wow. How cool. Alright guys, this is probably a terrible idea, but I'm gonna try to grab this thing by the tail. I could rope it, but I think I'm gonna be okay here. Alright, let's see here. I want your tail, buddy. How do I get your tail? There it is. There it is. Ooh, he's got some chompies to him. Alright. Alright. I had it. I got scared. Oh, he popped it. There was a bull shark. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I had a runner while all that was going on, so let's go ahead and set on that. Oh, that was pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay, not what we're after, but we'll take her. She's a tagger. So we're right at 40 inches on this one. All right, guys, I'm gonna send this little gar on home. Here she is. She's I actually forgot how big, but I have it on camera, so I'll remember. Here we go. See you, little girl. That's it for me today. There's still daylight. I could put out more baits, but I think that's it for me. I got 4 gar. One of them I didn't get a tag into. I caught a bull shark, 2 reds, a couple other different kinds of species. I got to fish this area that I've never fished before. Did pretty well. Found some pretty good fish. Honestly, I feel pretty good. If y'all want to support me, really the best way to do that is just to watch my videos. That's really all I ask. I'm not doing Patreon. I'm not asking for donations or anything like that. I just want y'all to watch my videos, leave me a comment, maybe share it to a friend, hit that notification bell if you haven't. If you vibe, subscribe. I appreciate you guys so much. I'll see you next time. We're gonna be doing something similar in a completely different location next time I bring you a video in a couple days. I've been trying to upload about 4 times a week, and I'm gonna keep on at that. I would really like nothing better than just to be able to come out here and film for y'all and be able to support myself just doing that. Look what's been sitting here eyeing me this whole time. Little gator boy right there. He's pretty cute. Too bad it's illegal. I'd take him home as a pet.